Insurance premiums fell by 5% in the first 6 months of last year, according to new data compiled by the Central Bank of Ireland. The analysis also shows the introduction of new personal injury award guidelines appear to be starting to have an effect on the cost of claims.
After many years of only going up, finally car insurance is coming down. According to new central bank data, premiums fell 5% in the first 6 months of last year. That brought the average premium per policy to €578. The drop is in part due to the effects of the implementation of the new Personal Injury Award guidelines. They've resulted in the cost of injury claims settled directly or through the Personal Injuries Assessment Board falling by between a third and a half.
We've made it easier to resolve claims out of the litigation process, and that's what really drives costs. And I'm very clear with CEOs of insurance companies, and I've met them all in Ireland and continue to meet them regularly, that I expect to continue to see these benefits being passed on to policy holders.
Insurers claim they have and will continue to pass on those savings to customers, but remain concerned that just over a third of injury claims continue to be settled through the courts, accounting for over 3/4 of total costs.
Unfortunately, too many claims are being litigated, and there is very little benefit for the claimant in that regard. It takes much longer to get your claim settled, and the compensation amount, there's no evidence that it's going to be any better.
Insurance reform advocates have welcomed the reduction in premiums, but claim that insurance companies are not passing on the savings that they are making to consumers in full.
Insurers need government more than the government need insurers, and that power balance means that government are in a position where they can insist on the reforms being passed on in terms of reductions, but that's not happening yet.
Businesses and the insurance industry also want to see some other reforms pushed through, particularly around the issue of duty of care. And until that happens, they say, premiums will remain unnecessarily high. Will Goodbody, RTE News.